Hi folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So it's Friday evening, it's 8:15 and the 21st Century Caveman is going on an adventure. So as a very last minute thing, I've just decided to take myself away for the weekend. I just need to go to the coast, do a little bit of wild camping, do a bit of hiking. So I'm going to Devon, so it's about 250 miles away from where I live. So you know, the motorway is just ahead of us, so I thought I'd just pull over before we hit the motorway, because this is the last opportunity I've got just to do an intro to the video and just to wish everybody well. I'll reset the camera and I'll catch you later. So it's 1:15. I'm absolutely knackered, so I'm going to get in the car tonight. So I'm just going to sort myself out, unwind the window so I can hear the sound of the waves crashing on the shore. Put my head down, I'm absolutely knackered. Okay, so I've got my hat on, keep my head warm, got a quilt, got a pillow, chair reclined. Good night, I'll see you in the morning. Morning folks. Had a nice kit. It's really toasted last night. It's really very comfortable. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm woken up with seagulls. So, just pan round. Hi guys, so just got a brew on, and it looks as if it's going to be an absolutely beautiful day here. So just going to have a cup of tea, have a bit of breakfast, put on my hiking boots and go for a hike. This is absolutely beautiful here, it really is very, very nice. It's going to be an absolutely glorious day, and I want to take full advantage of it because I'm actually only here for a couple of days. Yeah, so last night I just chucked a load of things in the back of the car. Just, you know, the main things, just to make sure I was covered for every eventuality really. So yeah, got a load of stuff in there, and once I've had another brush I'll be sort of like heading off on a hike. Catch you in a bit. Hi folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So Saturday night we're on the beach at Buddy Salterton. It's taken about half an hour to put the tarp up. Main reason being that I was having a job anchoring the tarp, because, you know, as you can see, it's a pebble beach, so I had a number of bags for life, so I just filled them full of pebbles and just wrapped some paracord around them. Obviously the wind is coming, you know, from behind the tarp. It's, you know, the tide's coming in. Look at that for a beautiful, beautiful view. I did actually want to face that way towards the estuary, but as I say, the wind was coming from that direction, so I couldn't have done that. But anyway, so be it, it's no big deal. So the tide's coming in then. This is what we've got. So I just sort of configure it like that. So I've got a sleeping bag, it's just a 3-season sleeping bag, a couple of closed cell foam mats, obviously because it's quite stony, and I've got a tarp underneath that. And also, perhaps more importantly, I have a bottle of red wine, bottle of Pinot Noir. It's one of my favourites. Red wine, I like Pinot Noir and Fito. So they're my favourites, so I'm going to have a couple of glasses of that tonight. Got some salt peanuts, got a few snacks. So I'm just going to basically just sit down. I've got, you know, some head height here. I can just sort of sit down, look at the ocean and just chill really. I'll be doing a little bit of reading, and it'd just be nice just to see the night in under my tarp, and just to chill really. Get back to you in a bit. Okay, so this is the view from the tarp. It's actually quite comfortable here. So the wind's died down. It's been raining on and off today. It's supposed to have been a really very warm, sunny day. You know, we have had some sun and it has been warm, but it being blighty, it's been interspersed with some very heavy rain showers. Cheers. So nice. It's absolutely wonderful just hearing the waves crash on the shore, seeing the wind ripple the tent. It's been away from people. It's really good. Anyway, I'm absolutely knackered. I need to get some kit. I'll catch you in the morning. Good night. Morning all. Not the most comfortable sleep in the world, but it's a pebble beach. Got woken up with a really sore throat, so I need to get a cup of tea down there. Let's have a look at the view, shall we? Could be worse content. So, looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. I said the same thing yesterday. Within an hour it was absolutely tipping it down with rain. So let's just pan around, shall we? It's very beautiful around here. So it's part of the Jurassic coastline then. Got somebody out doing some fishing. They've been out for about 3 or 4 hours now. The time, incidentally, is 7:10, and I'm wearing my Seiko. I love this watch, you know. I got up about 3:15 in the morning, you know, to have the mandatory wee, and I was quite surprised with the loom on this thing, actually. So when I got here yesterday evening, I attached bits of wood basically to the guy lines and tried to bury them underneath the underneath large pebbles, but it just wouldn't work, which is why I resorted to anchoring the tarp just around those bags there, lot. So had a couple of multi-mats, 3-season sleeping bag, inflatable pillow, bottle of wine in my kettle. Now I'm 6'4", and this tarp is a DD 3x3 metre tarp, and this configuration, you know, even if it lashed it down with rain, it would have kept me nice and dry. And this is an easy configuration, you know, if you're just on normal land, I mean, you can put this up in sort of, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 minutes or so, less than 5 minutes anyway. It's such an easy configuration to give you immediate shelter. You know, especially so, for example, if the weather turns bad and you just need a very, very quick shelter. Just put my staff at the front there, just so I had a nice wide opening. I've got a walking stick, one of these extending poles in the middle there, look, just to give it a bit of height, because as I've already mentioned, the wind was incredibly strong yesterday evening, and it just kept blowing the thing flat, and I was really struggling just to erect the thing. Beautiful. There we go, look, everything's gone, all sorted, not even a tea bag left. The weather's changed quite remarkably, actually. It's really foggy now, but I'm not bothered, because I'll be going home in a couple of hours. It's been a great weekend.